Hi guys, yeah, let me remove this. So here, this another one. Okay, this is another one have just been sold now. So this is how I'm going to package it for post tomorrow. All right, I printed it out, so ready to get parcel. Adidas. So this one is affordable, very affordable. So these are the tools I'm going to be using now for the postage. Okay, like I told you before, anyhow you want to start your own, but start it right. That's the beauty in it. So you start it right. So get the way you want to package it, maybe very fancy. It's your choice. So this is what I've got now. This is how I package my own thing. This is my style. Like even if it's £2, if you're in, at least it is okay. So nothing happened to it. So Adidas is just new, never worn, but I need space in this house. It has to go. And thank God it's not, I'm not just putting it there to stay forever. As God may have it, things are going on smoothly. Okay, so this one for my own, like what I was just saying, like to spicy it up. So this thank you card, it is not expensive. Okay, they're quite a lot. So I'll just add one thank you card. That's it. There's nothing in it. It's not sticker. So it's just thank you card. Inside of it, at least. When I used to live with my auntie, she's a businesswoman. So in the shop, she sells clothes. Then everything she says, she sells baby things, stuff, mother care. So everybody knows my auntie. She's very popular in Nigeria. Very popular. If I mention her name, a lot of people, they're gonna know who I'm talking about. Okay. So whenever anybody comes to the shop, want to buy something, I will always say have a drink, because you came from a long distance to come and buy something from the store. So have a drink, just malt or Sprite, Coca-Cola, and they'll be like, oh, don't worry, don't worry, don't bother yourself. I'll just say to her, drink. You drink or you don't drink, that money is being calculated. So that money is going to be taken off. They know me. That money is going to be taken off. My auntie already calculated it, plus what you are going to buy. So do yourself a favor and then just have a drink. Cool yourself down. Cool your temper. So they'll be laughing, because that's the reality. Okay, the money it's already calculated in it. So this one now, I printed it. I'm going to attach the address to it. So like I told you, I do my things, okay, with style, right? So do whatever works for you, but do it right, so that somebody else can come tomorrow and say, oh, let me buy from that person, because that's what I do, right? So I've also got this one. So this is just to make everything look posh, you know. So it's a sticker, you peel it, and then I'm gonna get one now. So the more you do it, the more you're gonna get better in whatever you're doing. Okay, for now, don't just focus on the profit. Okay, focus on how you're going to make it very look okay. All right, at least somebody who owns the app you're using to sell, we're like, this person could make a good business. You never know, they want to strike another business with you. Okay, so it depends on what you're doing, how you're going to do your stuff. So for safety purposes and for confidentiality, I'm just covering the address. So that's why I put that on top of it. So in this one, carefully peel it out, okay, like this, and I stick it up there. It might not be beautiful now, but like I said, as things goes on, okay, I'll find my own style of doing this one again. So you don't have to have a degree. It's not everything you have a degree before you start it. common sense also can actually work. Okay, before you do this one, be careful before you do, because immediately you attach the sticker, okay, it will not be easy to be off. So if you are dragging it to remove the sticker, you might end up condemning the package, right? So that is it. If you ask me, I'm doing very, very well. Very, very fantastic. So on this sticker now, right, I'm sharing it into 3. Unlike before, remember when I started, I used this one just as big as it is, and then I'll just put it there. And I found out that oh, I'm just having to use a lot, too much of it. Okay, it's the same thing I'm doing now, so I'm getting better and better day by day. So in here I also have extra left over for the other side. Okay, peel it out. So like that. In business, there is one secret in business. Okay, make sure you have everything that you want to sell and they are available. And not only that, when they are available, when they are for sale, like now, I just scroll on my phone, somebody just purchased. What do? I'm gonna quickly print it out, and then here I have it, and then now it's going to be ready for a post. Before you know it, tomorrow morning it's already on a post like this. So you don't have to be waiting. The person don't have to be waiting. Oh, when am I going to receive what I paid for online purchase? Okay, so be smart in whatever you are doing, even if it's small. Even if it's small, do it right. Even if it's small, because no money, there's no money that is too small for purchase. Okay, so now this is done, ready for a post. So tomorrow I'm going to the post and just put it. So that's it. Look at that. Then I want to show the address. So it's been done now. So that is it. Big or small, no money that is too small, my dear. So make sure you put all your effort in whatever you are doing. Be good in what you are doing. Calculate. The practice is not going to click in just one day. As you go, practice more and more and more and more, and then you're gonna be better. Even if I said this one now, my mind might be telling me, oh, it's also telling me that it's too cheap, but I don't mind. Cheap or no cheap, I don't mind, because now I want space. Maybe by the time I get better more and more, I can increase my price. Already done. I've already got customers. Thank you. If you like this video, share my video, like and share. Be nice with your comment. Feel free to comment and share. Subscribe to my channel. Totally peace one. Bye bye for now.